So it's been 5 minutes. So what I want to do is that I want to drain out the excess water. As you can see, there is a bit of excess water and I just want to drain it out. So I have drained out the water. So what I'm doing is that I'm mashing. I'm just using a cooking stick and I'm mashing the potatoes. And that is where you have to make sure that you boil your potatoes till they are soft, so that when you're mashing, it's way easier. So I want to show you how my Mũkimo looks like. So I've mashed all the potatoes, and if you want, you can just continue mashing your potatoes. You can see there's some potatoes which are not so well mashed, which I will continue mashing, but you continue mashing. So right now what I want us to do is kind of like infuse a bit of flavor to the meal. So what we're going to do, we're going to take an onion and then we're going to cook the onion, and then we're going to add in any spices that we want. And then if you want to add a spice, you can add a spice. If you don't want to add a spice, it's definitely up to you. Nikaa nimeweka mafuta kidogo. Hata kama so what I'm going to do at this point is that I'm going to, you see my onions are well cooked. I added a bit of curry powder or any other spice you want to add. If you don't want a spice, well and good. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put my onions inside my Mũkimo. This is just for flavoring, and then I'm going to continue mashing it. Also, something that I probably didn't mention is that when I boiled my potatoes, I boiled my potatoes in a bit of salt. So when I'm actually preparing my Mũkimo, I don't need to add any more salt, because originally my potatoes were boiled in salt, so they have salt in them.